Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to change the language on your Facebook app. So the steps are very simple. Just first of all, start by tapping on the Facebook icon. Go to the Facebook and just make sure you are signed in there, and just tap on this three line at the top right. Scroll down. Here you will see a settings and privacy down. Just tap this button. In case you didn't find the language bar at this options, just tap on this settings. Scroll down and you will see a language and region in the preference. Just tap on this language and region and tap on this language for buttons at the top. Here to make the changes, just select the desired languages from the list. Choose the language from the provided list, and here you can choose your language. That's it, Facebook language changed. So this is how you can simply change the language on your Facebook. So hope this video helped you a lot. Thank you for watching. Before you go, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.